Hello everyone, welcome to Jocelyn's Philippine Kitchen USA YouTube channel. Here is my second unboxing from my sponsor, the Amazon. Thank you so much. We'll see what's inside in it. It's shipped like a 1 day. It had a 1 day shipping. They are very good sponsored, and we're going to open on this one. So this is sponsored by Amazon. Let's do the unboxing. Ta-da! It's a 1-pack cable for my iPhone. It's got 6 feet, 4 feet, and 10 feet in there. So thank you so much to my sponsor, and we'll try to open this one. So this is the let's go open this one. Oh, I don't know why did I do that. This is the plug thing supposed to. So this is my cable charger. Oh, they got a lot in there. 1, 2, 3. You had like 1, 2, 3. This is a USB cable. 4, 5. Tang-tang-tarang. Thank you so much sa aking sponsor. Ito-try natin ito. So this is, I'm gonna use this for my car. And I think I'm gonna use this other one into my work. And this other one, this is the longest one. I think this one is the 10 feet. And I'm gonna use this in my bed, to where I can play my cell phone at the same time. So thank you so much for my sponsor. And we'll see the reviews on this one. It's nice. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB cables. So this is the 3 feet inches long. So, and this is the 6 feet inches long. And this is the 10 feet inches long. So I can use this one in my iPhone XR. But this is good because my charger from my phone is broken, so I got a good replacement for free. If you don't have your USB cable charger, please grab one at Amazon and look at the description below in my channel. And also I will give you the link. And thank you so much. This charge really good. And I love it, and it's still got a lot of room in here from the bottom. This is the 10 inches that I use. So it works on Apple product.